Hey, if you give me 2 minutes of your time, I'm going to show you how we turn 57 bucks into $5,500 plus in sales using Google Shopping and Shopify. See you now. Hey guys, Pete here, and I want to show you a quick little trick that you can do, kind of like a little hack that you can do with your Google Shopping. And the idea is that you run this continuously, right? You just have this in the background. Now, you're not going to get the greatest amount of volume by any means, but you do pull in really cheap sales, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So this is a campaign that I've been running, and as you can see here, we have spent $57. We have sent through 2,700 clicks. Yep, this is all real. We've had 166 conversions, and we are paying 2 cents per click. Now, if you come and look here and we say conversion value, you can see that we have made $5,500 on 57 bucks, right? So the numbers are absolutely through the roof. Now, please bear in mind that this is over a few months and over a period of time. So this is not something that is just crazy avalanche of sales. And the reason this works so well is what you need to do is first, you need to upload your entire feed into the Merchant Center, connect to Google Shopping, and get that going. Once that's going, then what you need to do is you need to run a campaign with your entire feed, and you're going to come over here and you're going to set your cost per click to 5 cents or under. Anything over that doesn't seem to work as well for me anyway. I'd be interested to see how you go, but if you set your cost per click for 5 cents or under, it's going to kind of force Google to send really long tail specific keywords to your product listings, and you're going to start to make really cheap sales. This is a very handy campaign to have running just in the background. And just let it go. It's going to make you sales consistently, and it's going to get you some really cheap customers. The cool thing is that once you've got those customers into your business, you can then follow up with them, cross-sell, and sell them a whole lot of more other things and increase that lifetime value of that customer. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask below this video. All right, cheers.